Look at this channel, or this one. It has gained over 756 million views from only 485 YouTube Shorts. Why do I call 485 videos only? I'll explain shortly. First, let's check its earnings. Most third-party sites exaggerate income, so I asked ChatGPT with full channel details. It estimated a minimum of $50,000. I said only because these videos are super easy to make. You can create one in 60 seconds with paid tools. I'll show both paid and free methods, so you can choose what works best. Paid method, go to short.ai. You will find all the links in the description box. On the top corner of the site, you will see a login or sign up option. Sign in with Google. After logging in, the button will change to Go to Dashboard. Click that. Once you are on the dashboard, you will see options to create fake text videos, AI story videos, Reddit story videos. For this tutorial, we will use the Reddit story feature. You can click it directly or access it from the left sidebar. When you select Reddit story, you will see 3 script options. We will not create a custom script manually. Instead, we will import the script directly from a Reddit post by choosing the middle option. I already have a Reddit post selected for this example. Go to that Reddit post, click Share, and copy its link. Paste the link in the given field and click Get Reddit Post. Within seconds, all the details will automatically fill in according to the post you chose. Keep all settings as default and click Use It. This will take you to the Custom Script section. Here, you can make any edits if necessary. For example, you can change the profile name to match your YouTube channel name or modify how the buttons appear on the video. You can preview the changes instantly. Once everything looks fine, click Next. Select a background video you like, then click Next again. Choose a subtitle template. The first one is selected by default, and I recommend using that. Now, choose a voiceover. Read the post to figure out if the narrator is male or female. In this example, 2 males are talking, so I will choose a male voice. Among the options, Luke and Rook is a popular and natural-sounding male voice for YouTube, so I'll use that. There is also a More Settings option for voiceover customization. I usually keep it default because the default settings give the best results. After setting everything, click Generate Video. The generation process will start and take about 15 seconds. Once done, the video preview will automatically play. If you are satisfied, click Download to save it. Considering that videos like this can potentially make up to $50,000, spending $19 to try uploading a few Reddit videos is definitely worth it. Free method. Now let me show you the full free method. It will definitely take more time to make Reddit Shorts videos compared to the paid method, but you can absolutely choose this free method if you are not able to spend money. Background video. First, go to YouTube and search for satisfying video. We cannot use every YouTube video because it would cause copyright strikes. So, click on Filters, then Features, and choose Creative Commons. Now, after selecting Creative Commons in the filter, any video you choose will show Reuse Allowed. This means you can use it without a copyright strike. 2. Find a Reddit post and make title card. How can we find these popular posts? Go to Reddit and search for Ask Reddit. It has over 57 million members. You can also search for Confession, 11 million members, TIFU, which stands for Today I F Up, 19 million members, Jokes, 30 million members. Get into the community based on the type of post you want. Let's see how to find the most popular posts. At the top, you'll see 2 filter options. Click the first one and sort all posts by top. For the second filter, Time, select All Time. Now you'll see many posts. Choose the one you like, click the 3-dot button, and click Save. Check the comments too. Sometimes you'll find amazing posts there. Save them as well. After collecting all posts, go to Profile, then View Profile, and tap Save to access them. Now we need to create a title card like this. Change the profile name. Edit the post title according to the Reddit post. I'll provide a cleaned version of the title card and a sample title card with text, so you can compare the text size and edit the final card accordingly. You'll find it in the description as well. 3. Voiceover. Go to 11 Labs and sign in with your free account. 11 Labs provides free credits every month, so you can generate voices for free. From the left sidebar, click Text to Speech. As this Reddit joke post is narrated by a man, go to the voice options, search for Adam, and select it. Copy the post and paste it into 11 Labs. Remember, Reddit adds a long post button for large posts, so remove that text before generating. Reddit stories usually have slightly faster narration, so set the speed to 1.15. Generate the speech, and once it's done, download it. 4. Background music. Go to Google and search for YouTube Audio Library. Open the first link, search for a music type that matches your story, for example, funny music for jokes. Choose the most suitable music and download it. 5. Pre-edit. Now we have all materials ready, except captions. Import them into a video editor. Remove any silent pauses from the voiceover. Add the background music and adjust its volume. Set the project size to 1080 by 1920, YouTube Shorts format. Place the background video and adjust it. Add the title card and keep its length until the voiceover finishes narrating the title. Add smooth transitions to the title card. Now everything is ready. Export the project at 1080p. 6. Adding captions. I've tried multiple AI caption generators. Among them, Submagic stands out. It adds emojis automatically. It's the only one with animated captions. You can export up to 4K videos for free. The only limitation, it allows 3 videos per month per account. This can be bypassed by using temporary emails to create multiple accounts. It supports videos up to 1 minute 30 seconds, so if your video is longer, split it into parts. Let's see practically how to do this. Go to submagic.co and click Try for free. Next, go to smailpro.com. You'll see a temporary email address. If you want a new email, click the plus icon and then Create. Copy this email and use it to create a new account on Submagic. Submagic will ask you to verify your email. Go to Temp Mail and refresh the inbox. Open the verification email and click Confirm Your Mail. You will be redirected back to Submagic. After answering some basic questions, you'll reach the main interface. Among the many tools, click Generate Captions. Upload the video you created earlier without captions. Default language is English. Click Generate Captions. Wait about 20 seconds for the captions to generate. Choose a caption style. Default is Hormozy 2, which I recommend. Edit captions if needed and select emojis for each line. Any words AI misinterprets will be highlighted in red. Correct them manually. You cannot drag captions to move them. To reposition, use Caption Position. Adjust the font size as needed. Preview how the video will appear on social media. When everything looks correct, click Export. Choose video quality, up to 4K. Our video is 1080p, so select 1080p and click Export. Once done, click Download Video. Note, the downloaded video will have a watermark. We'll remove it next. 7. Remove watermark with Final Edit. On the timeline, the middle track is the version with captions and watermark. At the beginning, a title card with the Reddit post title will appear. Since the title is already displayed, we don't need auto-generated captions here. Split the video and delete the captions from the beginning until the narrator finishes narrating the title. Next, crop out the watermark from the video so that it is no longer visible at any point. After that, export the video to save the final version without the watermark. By doing this, you will have a clean, watermark-free version with captions, making your Reddit story video completely ready for free. Now let's see the final result.
My favorite joke. Everyone knows Dave. Dave was bragging to his boss one day. You know, I know everyone there is to know. Just name someone, anyone, and I know them. Tired of his boasting, his boss called his bluff. Okay, Dave, how about Tom Cruise? No dramas, boss. Tom and I are old friends, and I can prove it. So Dave and his boss fly out to Hollywood and knock on Tom Cruise's door, and Tom Cruise shouts, Dave, what's happening? Great to see you. Come on in for a beer. Although impressed, Dave's boss is still skeptical. After they leave Cruise's house, he tells Dave that he thinks him knowing Cruise was just lucky. No, just name anyone else. Dave says, President Obama. His boss quickly retorts. Yup, Dave says. Old buddies, let's fly out to Washington. And off they go. At the White House, Obama spots Dave on the tour and motions him and his boss over, saying, Dave, what a surprise. I was just on my way to a meeting, but you and your friend come on in and let's have a beer first and catch up. Well, the boss is very shaken by now, but still not totally convinced. After they leave the White House grounds, he expresses his doubts to Dave, who again implores him to name anyone else. Pope Francis, his boss replies. Sure, says Dave. I've known the Pope for years. So off they fly to Rome. Dave and his boss are assembled with the masses at the Vatican's St. Peter's Square when Dave says, "This will never work. I can't catch the Pope's eye among all these people. Tell you what, I know all the guards, so let me just go upstairs and I'll come out on the balcony with the Pope." He disappears into the crowd, headed towards the Vatican. Sure enough, half an hour later, Dave emerges with the Pope on the balcony. But by the time Dave returns, he finds that his boss has had a heart attack and is surrounded by paramedics. Making his way to his boss's side, Dave asks him, "What happened?" His boss looks up and says, "It was the final straw. You and the Pope came out onto the balcony and the man next to me said, 'Who the fuck is that on the balcony with Dave?'"